This is the real Tom Rose, and this question is kind of a ridiculous setup. It's a functions question, so remember that when you're dealing with functions questions, don't try to really internalize logically what the functions are saying. What you want to do is just use the functions as a set of instructions, follow those instructions, and see what happens. So you need to just plunge on into the unknown. So they're giving us a function definition, f of x equals 7x plus 3. Function definitions are, they really confuse people, but they have two basic ingredients. You have an input and an output. The input is defined by the thing in the parentheses, right? So they're saying the input here is x. The output is what you get if you evaluate everything to the right of the equal sign. That's the output. The input is also right here, right? That's where you're going to stuff it. So anyway, it says the y-intercept is a line given by, I don't know what this is yet, but let's follow the instructions and see what happens. So it says y equals f of x plus 1. So they're saying, remember the thing inside the parentheses, that's your input. So they're saying x plus 1 is the input. Let's stuff that into this function definition. So everywhere that we have an x, I'm going to put this input, which in this case is x plus 1. I think it's bad form for them to use x in both of these cases. It would have been much clearer if they had said y of equals f of, g plus 1 or something. But anyway, they did that. So 7 times x plus 1 plus 3 equals y is what you get from your output, right? So they said the output is the evaluation. It would be the 7x plus 3. That's what we just created. And they said set that equal to y. They said that right here. So we did that. And let's see if that's a line. It does look like a line. So let's put it in mx plus b format. Y equals 7x plus 10 is what this becomes. This is slope-intercept form. This is the m and this is the b. And the way that you read this is the slope is the coefficient of the x term, the m, and the y-intercept is the b term. So what do they ask for? The y-intercept of the line is that 10. So that's your correct answer.